I hope you have a wonderful day and greetings tonight. I want to give you one single tip on how to improve your English. Some people want to say, I will listen more to be able to speak English better. Some people say, I will write more. Some people will say, I will speak more. And some people say, I will read more. It is actually a case-by-case scenario. We need to understand, first of all, what you are interested in order to be able to improve yourself. You have to ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? I, for example, want to learn English to be able to travel, understand other people's culture, and practice some vocabulary that will help me get more friends and acquaintance. These are major topics probably that will attract people's attention to learn new languages. Some people learn because they want to improve their career or get promoted or apply for a scholarship. There are actually so many reasons why people want to learn English or any other language. I think, based on my own experience, that the best way to learn English is to ask yourself, why do I want to learn English, and what are my hobbies that I will take advantage of in order to be able to enter the window of language or the gate of language or the door of language. That is going to be the first step on the threshold of entering the entity of language. Language has many doors and it opens many windows. There are so many venues to help you speak English and learn English. Reading before you go to sleep, exercising in the morning, practicing conversation with your friends are key features of becoming a better English speaker. Practicing and maintaining on a daily basis is also a bonus to help you speak and improve your language. Keep these potential recommendations for you to help you speed up your process. Watch more, listen more, practice more, read more, write more. All of them are in combination going to help you. So if we want to calculate which one is the best, there is no one that is the best. There's probably 15% attributed ratio to writing, 15 to reading, 25 to speaking, 25 to listening, and the whole combination of that is actually 100%. So your steady progress comes from doing minor things, little things that will help you speak English better over a longer span of time. Keep that in mind. Do not push hard on yourself to intensively practice English in a shorter period of time with longer disconnection to language, but rather minor or little activities that you do gradually will lead you to the satisfactory level that you're shooting for. These are a few tips that I wanted to share with you for tonight, and I hope to see you in another video. ربي يحفظكم مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.